Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an awesome tutorial lined up for you. If you're looking to enhance the graphics in FiveM and take your game visuals to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Reshade in FiveM so you can get those crisp, cinematic effects you've been dreaming about. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So, let's dive in and get your game looking amazing.